years, we had been on a quest to find that magical place that would mark the beginning of our dreams. And then it happened. As we stepped foot on this once-abandoned estate, dating back to 1911, our hearts skipped a beat. We were captivated by the history that whispered through the ancient stones and the beauty that lay hidden beneath the overgrown vines. In April 2023, we embarked on a journey that would forever change our lives. Villa Dona Belida, with her breathtaking views, contains 2 hectares of land and 2,000 square meters of buildings. It was not just about rebuilding walls, it was about preserving the legacy of Villa Dona Belida. Villa Dona Belida has not only become our home, but a symbol of hope and renewal. Today, as we stand here in front of you, we want to share our journey of rejuvenating this 5-century-old estate, a journey that symbolizes the magic of dreams realized.